Hey everybody, it's Cole Powell from Core Performance here with an instruction video on the cold weather specific IceCase iPad heating case. Today we're going to go over what's in the box, how IceCase works, setting up your IceCase, and care and maintenance. Let's start by talking about what's in the box. First, we'll have our IceCase chassis, we'll have our tray, our HotBloq. Depending on the size of your iPad, you'll either have no adapter for the 10.2 or for any subsequent iPads, you'll have an adapter plate like one of these. This specific one is for the iPad mini 6th generation. You'll have an example hand warmer. This is what powers the HotBloq. And then you'll also have the option to buy our IceCase Strap Kit. Now let's talk about using your IceCase in cold climates. In colder climates, iPads react very differently than they do in the heat. In freezing conditions, the battery of the IceCase drains much faster than it would in the heat, going from 100% to 0% in the span of about 30 minutes. Our solution to that is the HotBloq. The HotBloq insulates and with the use of a single-use exothermic hand warmer, heats the iPad, extending battery duration in freezing temperatures. We're able to increase the iPad battery lifespan 400% from 30 minutes to about 120 by using the IceCase in conjunction with the HotBloq. These two straps make up our IceCase Strap Kit, which allowed you to use IceCase in conjunction with IceVest High-Vis Class 2, IceVest Black, and our IcePlate Hydration Backpack, allowing you to clip in and clip to your IceCase. Like this. Now let's start setting up your IceCase. First, you'll need your iPad. The IceCase was designed for the iPad 10.2, which is this one right here, but it also works with subsequent iPads smaller than the 10.2 that fall inside the same footprint, using these adapter plates right here. If your organization decides to upgrade or switch iPads and the new iPads fit inside this footprint, all you need is a new adapter. Designing future-proof solutions such as these adapters is a foundational element of our philosophy here at Core Performance. Once you have your iPad by itself or paired with an adapter, you're going to place it inside your IceCase. Insert it just like that. Make sure it's bonded all around the edges. Make sure everything's flush. You're going to start your way at the corners and then work your way around like I just did. Make sure the charging port of your iPad is located right aligned with the charging port on the IceCase chassis. You'll notice that the power button and the volume buttons are actually covered up on the iPad while it's in the IceCase. That is to prevent accidental button pushes of the power and the volume buttons, keeping your iPad on. Never want that to go off accidentally. You won't be able to physically press the power button, but you can use Apple's accessibility features to access the power button from the screen instead, just like this. Boom, it's locked. Next, you'll take your HotBloq and insert it into your tray, like so. Then, you'll open up your hand warmer, shake it up to activate it, wait for it to warm up. Might take a couple minutes. Then you'll put it inside your HotBloq. Now that's ready to go. And then you'll insert it into your IceCase, just like that. Then you'll slide your wrist strap on, and you're ready to work, keeping your iPad warm for hours. Now, if you have our IceVest High-Vis Class 2, IceVest Black, or our IcePlate Hydration Backpack, you can use the two Swift clips to plug in your IceCase to your vest, keeping your iPad at the perfect height, ready to work. Now that IceCase is connected to my vest, I can leave it hanging at my waist, no fear of dropping it, no fear of breaking any iPads now, but it's always positioned here, ready to work, maximizing productivity and maximizing output. Now let's talk about care instructions. Caring for your IceCase is super simple. Everything on here can be cleaned with just a damp cloth, maybe a little bit of dish soap. Super simple, easy to take care of. This wraps up our IceCase instruction video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to hit us up on email, live chat, Instagram, the comment section of this YouTube video, or you can even call us. We'll pick up the phone. We are here to help you. If you liked what you saw today, we would really appreciate if you dropped a like, left a comment, and subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay frosty.